guys, thanks for visiting our channel again. We are going to show you today how to fit your own refillable LPG gas system. This video, guys, is just going to be explaining how to attach this bottle to the refillable point on the body of the van. We're not going into how to attach the actual bottle to any of your appliances. We'll be doing that in a separate video. So the gas bottle is going to be kept inside this locker, in Ireland at least, and most European countries have laws where the gas has to be kept inside a gas locker. You can build it yourself. It has to just meet certain requirements, so it has to be airtight and have a hole in the ground where gas can escape if there is a gas leak from the bottle. If you want to look in here, I've drilled a, I think it is 3 centimeter hole into the floor, which is what's required. And just sealed all the edges with silicone all around the interior of the box. These are a much better option than just buying full camping gas bottles, for example, because it's cheaper to fill your own bottle and they're generally bigger and gives you more freedom to fill your bottles at regular gas stations. The system we got also has different adapters for different European countries, so you can refill these in pretty much any country you're going to end up in. So fitting the gas system is pretty simple. We have this body mount fill kit, which is going to be on the outside of the vehicle. So here is where you attach the gas filling pump at a gas station. So this is going to be the outside. This is also where you fit the adapters for European countries. All you need to do essentially is attach this to the body of the van and then use a tube to travel into the van, into the gas locker where it's going to connect onto the fill point on this. The connections are also really simple. This is a compression fitting, so the way these work is this is just going to screw straight onto this. So that's going to be the connection point between the fill point and the tube, and then there's going to be the same connection between the fill point on the bottle and the tube. So it's really simple. These compression fittings, I've got one here to show you, are really easy to use. You just unscrew this part and this goes onto the tube. Then there's a small ring which compresses the tube when you tighten this. So this 8mm inlet is going to go into the tube, and then as these tighten together it compresses the tube so no gas can leak out. Cut our hole in the side of the van. You need to cut a 70mm hole into your van, so you have to get a specific sized hole screw for that. And then you just, with this system, all you have to do is fit the plastic fitting, put this through the hole on the side of the van, put this over it, and then screw the two plastic parts together here, and that keeps it fixed in place. So once you screw the 7mm hole in your van, 70mm hole in your van, you don't need to screw any more holes for the screws. So we're just waiting for the paint to dry now. After you cut the hole into the metal, it's a good idea, especially because it's going to be an exterior hole, to use anti-rust metal paint. We thought that all we needed to do was do the 70mm hole, but because this has some tiny little plastic bits sticking out on the edge there, we have to extend the hole just by a little bit so that they can fit in there. We're just doing that by just nipping away a little bit with a jigsaw. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. We hope this has helped. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below.
Subscribe on our channel.
And subscribe on our channel and all that stuff.
Thank you, see you next video.
Thanks.